If you're going for that rustic elegance look for a wedding or a dinner party, why not look at some of the foliage plants? A whole green theme is really on trend and it can be very beautiful, particularly if you use some plants that are leafy and hold up well, like eucalyptus. It's a time-honored plant, has a wonderful aroma, and complements brighter flowers beautifully. Another plant that I love to grow is this one called Agnes or silverberry. You can see the color tones are very similar to the eucalyptus. Again, this holds up really well and the perfect complement to color, or all of these work with various shades of green. These long-lasting greens can be beautiful in bouquets, table decorations, or even for chandeliers. And take a look at this plant. This is the stem of the olive tree. Isn't it beautiful? Perfect for bouquets. You can actually use it for flower crowns and garlands. Long-lasting, and again, I love the color. Another plant you might want to consider would be a wide range of herbs. One of my favorites is, of course, the classic rosemary, or even sage. These herbs are woody, meaning that they're going to last longer out of water. A better choice than parsley or basil, which is more prone to wilt. Hey, if you've got a go-to greenery that you grow in your garden that you love to use in floral displays, we'd love to hear about it.